We already take off the motor. This is gearbox. If your pulley and its base can't get together, your belt maybe already get stuck in this gearbox. So we need to take apart this gearbox and recover the belt. First, we need to loosen three screws. First screw here. Second screw. Third screw. We need to lose three screws. Then take part of the gearbox. You can see the belt. Your belt may be folded or get stuck in there, so we need to recover it, get it straight, and then stick in. If your gearbox can't slip into the chuck, maybe the iron rod already switched out. You need to match this iron rod to this hole. Make the teeth matched, and then stick it in. Okay, down is placed. This side also need to match the teeth. Okay, then to this. Then tighten the screw. Don't forget, you can see this part stick out. So when you check the iron rod, also match these teeth. The iron rod, you can see, we switch out. We need to also. To make sure all the pulley holders 90 degrees vertical to the chuck. You can switch here to adjust the rotation. And assemble the chuck. Make sure all pulleys vertical to the chuck. Okay. Together, you can see the pulley and its base.